Let's get to know the Oase AquaOxy 450 Pond Aerator. This quiet, compact, and powerful aerator is designed for outdoor ponds down to about 3 foot deep. Specifications such as length, width, depth, cord, and tubing lengths can be found on the box. Inside the box, you'll find the manual, warranty, and safety information, along with the aerator and a box set of ceramic diffusers. The manual goes over what's included, recommended installation, startup and operating instructions, and maintenance procedures. Unlike many aerators, the Oase AquaOxy 450 runs off a 12-volt transformer, so it's safer for use around the pond. Both the aerator and transformer are outdoor rated. There's a 6-foot cord on each, allowing the unit to be placed a little more than 12 foot from a GFI-equipped outlet. The dual diaphragm, dual outlet aerator comes equipped with stainless steel adjustment valves on each outlet. The 2 spherical diffusers come with thin black air lines, each 15 feet long, that will be easy to conceal. Cut off any excess length in your application to maximize airflow. The optimal depth to set the diffusers recommended in the manual is 12 inches, but the box confirms the air will shut off at a depth of 4.3 feet. This aerator is rated for year-round use, circulating the water at the bottom of the pond during warm weather. It can be used to keep an area of the water surface free of ice in colder climates, with the diffuser set just below the expected ice depth. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Oase AquaOxy 450, but were afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.